If you eat peanuts after 60, you could be silently harming your body. Nearly 80% of seniors are unknowingly exposing themselves to a cancer-causing toxin in this so-called healthy snack. Peanuts should protect your heart and brain, but a hidden, tasteless mold turns them into a silent killer. In this video, I'm revealing 7 deadly peanut mistakes most seniors make, and the simple fixes that make peanuts safe again. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 is salt overload. Most people grab salted peanuts thinking they're making a healthy choice. Not so fast. Those innocent-looking roasted peanuts are drenched in more sodium than your aging arteries can handle. Here's the jaw-dropper. Just one small handful of salted peanuts packs over 200 milligrams of sodium. For flavored varieties like honey roasted or barbecue, we're talking 300 milligrams or more. That's nearly 15% of your daily limit in a tiny snack. After 60, your blood vessels naturally stiffen. Extra sodium forces your heart to pump harder, pushing fluid through those narrowed pathways like water through a garden hose with a kink. The result? Blood pressure spikes that quietly damage your kidneys and strain your heart and blood vessels. The fix is simple. Choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties. Your taste buds adjust in 2 weeks, and suddenly those natural peanuts taste richer and sweeter than you remember. Portion problems are the second mistake on our list. Peanuts are calorie-dense. One small handful contains 180 to 200 calories. That's fine as a measured snack, but it's dangerously easy to mindlessly munch through a full bowl while watching TV. Here's what happens. Those extra calories don't just disappear. They settle as deep, dangerous belly fat around your organs. This deep belly fat is the most dangerous kind, linked to problems like diabetes, inflammation, and a slower metabolism. After 60, your metabolism naturally slows by about 2% per decade. Every excess calorie works against you harder than it did in your younger years. The safe serving size? 25 to 30 peanuts or 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. Portion them out beforehand. Never eat straight from the jar or bag. 2 down, 5 more mistakes that are silently attacking your health. Mistake number 3 is eating the shells. Some people crack open peanuts and toss everything in their mouth, shells and all. They think it adds fiber or extra crunch. This is a dangerous mistake. Peanut shells are made of tough, wood-like fiber. Your digestive system can't break it down. Those sharp, rough pieces scrape the lining of your stomach and intestines as they pass through. After 60, when digestion naturally slows and stomach acid production decreases, those shell fragments can cause serious problems. Bloating, gas, constipation, even intestinal blockages in severe cases. But here's another hidden danger. Shells come into direct contact with soil during harvesting. They can harbor pesticide residues, dust, and mold spores that survive the roasting process. Always remove the shells before eating. The thin reddish skin underneath is fine to keep. It's actually packed with antioxidants. Now, let's move from discomfort to danger. The next 4 mistakes are the ones that can truly harm you from the inside out. Mistake number 4 is poor storage. Most people think peanuts last forever. They toss them in a warm cupboard or leave them in open containers on the counter. This turns your superfood into a health hazard. Peanuts are rich in healthy fats that spoil quickly when exposed to heat, light, and moisture. Spoiled peanuts don't just taste bitter. They create harmful compounds in your body instead of giving you protective nutrients. Even worse, warm and humid storage creates perfect conditions for mold growth that produces a dangerous liver toxin. Store peanuts in cool, dry places away from heat sources. Use airtight glass or metal containers, never plastic bags that trap moisture. The refrigerator is ideal, especially in humid climates. But here's the kicker. The next 3 mistakes are even more dangerous. If you skip any mistake in this video, do not skip this one. This is the hidden threat. The 5th mistake is aflatoxin exposure. This is the most serious mistake of all. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. But contaminated peanuts carry a hidden toxin that poses a real threat to your health after 60. It's called aflatoxin, produced by mold that grows in warm, humid conditions where peanuts are harvested and stored. The World Health Organization lists aflatoxin as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same category as tobacco smoke. Here's what makes it so dangerous. Even tiny amounts consumed over time can silently damage liver cells, weaken your immune system, and increase cancer risk. Contaminated peanuts look perfectly normal. No moldy smell, no odd taste, nothing to warn you. For seniors, this is especially concerning. Your liver is your body's detox center. Every toxin that slips past this filter puts extra strain on your entire system. How to protect yourself? Buy from trusted, certified brands that follow strict quality control. Inspect peanuts before eating. If they smell musty, taste bitter, or show dark spots, throw them away immediately. Never risk it. Mistake number 6 is ignoring allergies. Peanut allergies aren't just a childhood concern. They can develop later in life, and reactions can be severe. One person might experience mild itching, while another faces full anaphylactic shock within minutes. Here's what happens. Your immune system mistakes peanut proteins as harmful invaders. This triggers a cascade of symptoms. Skin reactions like hives and swelling. Digestive distress, including cramps and nausea. Respiratory issues like shortness of breath or wheezing. In severe cases, dangerous drops in blood pressure. After 60, aging can dull your taste and smell, making it harder to notice cross-contamination. Medications like beta blockers can make allergic reactions more intense. If you've ever experienced unexplained itching, swelling, or upset stomach after eating peanuts, get tested by an allergist. Always read food labels carefully. Many sauces, baked goods, and protein bars contain hidden peanuts. And mistake number 7 is choosing the wrong peanut type. Not all peanuts are created equal. Flavored varieties like honey roasted, chocolate covered, or candy coated peanuts are packed with added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and artificial ingredients that cancel out every health benefit. Even some peanut butters hide these same dangerous ingredients. These processed versions can spike blood sugar, raise bad cholesterol, and trigger inflammation. They're basically candy disguised as health food. The solution? Choose natural peanut butter made only from peanuts and maybe a pinch of salt. Look for dry roasted peanuts without added oils. Read labels carefully and avoid anything with more than 2 ingredients. For safe enjoyment, try these quick fixes. Spread natural peanut butter on apple slices for fiber-rich energy. Dry roast raw peanuts with cinnamon or paprika for flavor without salt. Add crushed peanuts to stir-fries or salads for extra protein and crunch. When you avoid these 7 mistakes, peanuts transform from potential hazards into daily health allies. They protect your brain, steady your energy, and keep your heart strong through your golden years. Small daily habits determine if peanuts heal or harm after 60. Choose unsalted varieties, store them properly, and stick to 1 handful servings. Share your favorite safe peanut method in the comments below, and subscribe for more senior nutrition truths.